So I think we should name them so that we can follow through on their story. There's the biggest one, there's the second, there's the third at the back, and there is the smallest one. So I think we should think of names that we should give to them, and we can follow through on their progress here at the sanctuary. Now please, if you want to give them names, know that they each must consume 1 rat per day. So you can help also to support us to get rats, to see these guys grow healthily and do well here at the sanctuary before it's time for them to go back.